All right, so you got your brand new Ryobi 80 volt HP lithium electric lawn tractor. Congratulations. But now you found you really need a yard cart, so you're going to accessorize, so you get this awesome new 7.5 cubic foot yard trailer. It's a dump trailer as well. There's one problem. This type of hitch connection doesn't match the 2-inch hitch receiver there. Here's the solution. All you need is a regular 2-inch hitch. So all you need to do is you take your hitch, you put it right in there. You're gonna take your hitch pin and you're gonna place it right in here just like this. Lock it in. Okay, so that's locked in. Now, it's not gonna go here, but that's not it. You need to take one of these right here. This is a toe ball nut wrench. We're gonna put it on. And then you're good to go.